Oh, way they go. Gold Spear, fast to begin, Speedy Kim, Mike some lady from the outside, moving up, down on the inside is Madame Leonora, sneaking by Daryl, getting personal apple green, deep rising Mokai, yes sir, I'm yours, and even now is the early trailer. Gold Spear, Madame Leonora, apple green alongside Speedy Kim as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Gold Spear by 3/4 of a length, followed by Madame Leonora. Apple Green racing from the outside. Speedy Kim is racing forward by Sam Tules, getting personal. Yes, sir, I'm yours. Running 6, running in 7 is my Sam Lady. Deep rising down on the inside. Mokai, and even now is still running at the tail of the field. Gold Spear, Apple Green, viral for the lead. And nearing the far turn, Sail Gold Spear, Apple Green. Madame Leonora is racing in third by Sam Tulay Swede Kim. Mike Sam Lady racing from the outside. Deep rising is running down on the inside, getting personal. Nearing the last 450, Apple Green by Sam Tules Gold Spear. Madame Leonora Deep Rising. Mike Sam Lady is racing in fifth as they race the last 250. Apple Green by Sam Tules. Madame Leonora and sneaking down on the inside. Deep Rising Gold Spear. Mike Sam Lady and nearing the finish line. Apple Green by Sam 4 lengths and finally Apple Green. Madame Leonora, Deep Rising Close, My Some Lady, and Gold Spear for your fans.